If you look at employment, some of the leading indicators within employment, non-farm productivity, private sector average hours worked, those things lead growth. They break down well in advance of a recession, kind of 3 to 4 quarters ahead of a recession. If you look at the growth rate of non-farm productivity or private sector hours worked, they're not looking like they're breaking down 3 to 4 quarters ahead of a recession. Now they will eventually, but again, what we're trying to do is help you time the business cycle. Again, it's not enough to say there's going to be a recession in the future, which is what everyone's mother's, brother's, Uncle John's, cousin's wife, Nancy, Uncle Timmy's niece's nephew could think. What we're trying to do is help you identify when these things are relevant enough on a medium-term time horizon so that you can do something so that your changes that you make in your portfolio are going to be actually rewarded by the market. It's one thing to have a fundamental view. It's another thing to have that fundamental view not be rewarded by the market. What we're trying to do is make sure that our fundamental views and our quantitative risk management signals are in alignment. That's when you make the most money. That's November. I mean, I couldn't have picked a better period of time to explain our process than what we experienced from the beginning of November to basically end of June. You couldn't have been a better time to be making money hand over fist in asset markets, because the research side of the process and the risk management side of the process were hugging each other, singing kumbaya, melting s'mores at the campfire. But they're not doing that anymore. And that's all we're trying to communicate. And if that's messy, then if you need high conviction all the time, and you're desperate for snake oil, trust me, I know some people that sell snake oil at a high level that will take your money and leave you with none. So just be aware of that. Just shoot me an email if you want me to put you in touch with them.